Sammy, did you want something to snack on? A greenie? Hey, you, little girl, you need a treat? What do you want? Huh? Meat? All the meat? Roxy, you want some greenies? We got some. How about a half a greenie? You do go with that. Yeah. Are y'all going to go outside? Cause some trouble? I thought I heard some squirrels out there.
Squirrels?
Yeah, I heard some. Y'all going to go get the squirrels? And then what? Bye-bye.